Hello students. Today we'll see four topic from your book, that is multiplication and division. Now in your book they given multiplying a given number by 3-digit number. For multiplication at least you should know the multiplication table from 2 to 10. Okay. Now we'll see the first example given in your book. There are 754 students in a school. If one child's uniform costs 368 rupees, what will be the cost of the uniforms for all the children in the school? So here we have to multiply 754 students multiplied by the cost of uniform. It is 368. So here they given 754 multiplied by 368. Now first of all I will make the place for this and I will explain this example to you. Okay. So see here how to solve the example. We'll see here. Seven hundred 54 multiplied by 368. Now look what we will do here. First of all we will multiply 8. It is the unit place number. 8 fours are 32. 3 carried. Now that 3 we have to keep in mind. 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 3 43. 4 carried, keep in mind. 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 4 it is 60. Now you can see here next number is 6. Actually it is tens place number, so 6 value is 60. So in place of 8 we have to write here 0. Okay. Now we will multiply by 6. 6 fours are correct 24. 2 carried. 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 2 32. 3 carried. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 3 it comes 45. Okay. Here multiplication means we are adding this number. Now which number remain here? 3. What is the place value of 3 here? 300. So we have to take 2 zeros here. Now we will multiply 754 by 3. 3 fours are 12. 1 carried. 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 1 16. Again 1 carried. 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 1 22. Again we will write here plus sign. Now our next step we have to add this. Now 2 plus 0 plus 0 means 2. 3 plus 4 7. Okay. 2 plus 2 4. Now here 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 6 17. 1 carried. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. And 2 is there in number is not there, so 2 will remain as it is. So your answer is 2 lakh 77,472. Do you understand this? How to solve the multiplication example? Again I will explain. First you have to multiply 754 by 8. Then you got the answer 6032. Now next, 6 is in the place of 60. So we had taken 0 in the unit place and we multiplied 754 by 6. You got the answer 45,240. Now next number is 303. So its value is, place value is 300. So we had taken here 2 zeros. 3 fours are 12. Okay. Then 1 carried, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. Again 1 carried, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22. And then you have to add these all numbers. After adding, we got the answer rupees 2,77,472. Okay, look, is that answer given in your book? 2,77,472. Okay, now we'll see the next example in your book. Now here they given first example, we multiplied 3-digit number by 3-digit number. Again one more example we will see here for multiplication of 3-digit number by 3-digit number. So again I will make here place for solving the example. We will take the 3-digit number as, okay, now I will write the example. 279 multiplied by 105. We'll solve this example now. Now how to solve it? Look here. First we will multiply this number by the unit place number of 105, that is 5. 5 nines are 45, correct? 4 carried. 5 sevens are or 7 fives are, anything you can do it because here multiplication is there. So 35 plus 4 39. Okay, 3 carried. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 3 13. Now next number is here 0, but it is in the tens place, so we have to write here 0. Now any number multiplied by 0, your answer will be 0. 9 multiplied by 0, 0. 7 multiplied by 0, 0. And 2 multiplied by 0, 0. We have to add this number. Now we will take the another number, that is 1. Place value of 1 is 100. So we have to write here 2 zeros. Now any number multiplied by 1 means that number remain as it is. So 9 ones are 9, 7 ones are 7, and 2 ones are 2. You have to add this number, or you can say 1 nines are 9, 1 sevens are 7, 1 twos are 2. Okay, now we will add these numbers. 5, 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, and 2 as it is. So your answer is 29,295. Okay, do you understand this? Now we will see the next multiplication. That is, we will multiply 4-digit number by 3-digit number. Okay, for that we will see the example. Again we have to make some place here to solve the example. Now we will take the 4-digit number and we will multiply it by 3-digit number. So I will take the number as 1, 2, 3, 4 and we will multiply it by 3-digit number 5, 6 and 7. You can take any number. 1 minute. Okay. 7 fours are 28. 2 carried. 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 2 carried. Okay. Then 7 twos are 14. Correct. 14 plus 2, 16. Correct. How much carried? 1 is carried. 7 ones are 7 plus 1, 8. Now, next is you have to multiply 1234 by 6. So, place value of this is 60. So, I will write here first 0. 6 fours are 24. 2 carried. 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 2 carried again. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 1 carried. 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. Now, next is you have to multiply 1234 by 5. So, it is 100 place number. So, we have to write here 0. How many times we will write 0? 2 times. Okay. Now, 5 fours are 20. 2 carried. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 1 carried. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Again 1 carried. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. You have to add this number. Now here I will write the answer upside. Here 8. Okay. Then 3 plus 4, 7. Then 6 plus 0 plus 0. It is 6 only. Then 8 plus 4 plus 7. 19. 1 carried. Again 8 plus 1, 9 and 6. So, your answer is 6,99,678. Okay. Do you understand the multiplication? Now we will see the multiplication of 4-digit number multiplied by 3-digit number given in your book. Okay. Look, example number 2. They given here 3,429 multiplied by 507. Here when will you multiply the number 3,429? You will get the by 7, then you will get the answer here, that is 24,003. Now second number is 0. So you will multiply all the numbers, then you will get the answer 0 only. Then the 100 place number is 5. So you will multiply 3429 by 5. Then you will get the answer. Look here. They given here the answer 17,14,500. After adding, you got the answer 17,38,503. Okay. Now here they given how to multiply separately by these all numbers, and if you will add all three numbers, then you will get the answer. That answer is, okay, here they given like this way, you will get the answer 17,38,503 after adding this number, this and this. Okay. Now we will see the next example given in your book. Write a multiplication word problem using the two numbers 25,634 and 78. Means first of all you have to make the problem from given numbers and then solve it. Now here they given from these two numbers they made the problem, that is a shopkeeper bought 78 TV sets for rupees 25,634 each. What is their total cost? You can make yourself the word problem. You can take any other things. Look like this way. Suppose a shopkeeper bought 78 chairs for rupees 25,634 each. What is their total cost? Okay. Otherwise, a shopkeeper bought the AC sets for rupees 25,635 each, or refrigerator set, anything you can write here. It's depend on your ability, power to form the questions or to write the questions or to create the word problems. Okay. Now here they given the multiplication of 5-digit number multiplied by 2-digit number. So we will take one multiplication from your book. Here they given 20,304 multiplied by 87. This same example we will solve. Okay. First I will make the place for solving the problem. What is your problem? 20,000. I will rub little more place because the example is more bigger. Here 20,304 multiplied by 87. 20,000. First of all, I will write here the example. 20,304 multiplied 87. Now again I will rub this to solve the example. Now here we will multiply the 5-digit number by 2-digit numbers. 7 4s are 28. Now look, 8 and what is given there? 0 is here. So 7 4s are 28. 8 we will write here 2 carried. Now 2 plus 0 means what will you get here? 2 only. Now next is 3 and 0. 7 3s are 21 and 7 2s are 14. Is it correct? Now 8 is in the which place? Tens place. So 80. So we will write here first 0. 8 4s are 32. 8 3s are 24 and 8 2s are 16. Now we have to add these two numbers. We will add this. 8 plus 0, 8. I will write the answer this side. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2 again, 6. And 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. So your answer is 7,66,448. Do you understand this? If 0 will be there, then that carrier it will remain as it is. Okay. Now by the given explanation, you have to solve the examples from problem set 14. Okay, write the examples in your notebook. Solve it proper way by using all the steps. Before solving these examples, you have to write the multiplication tables from 2 to 10. Means it will be easy to you for solving the examples. Be safe at your home. Do your study every day regularly. Thank you and bye.